Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Pickle Rick and Fisch. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you want to know that Pickle Rick is not actually called Pickle Rick inside the game, but it is in fact called the Sea Pickle. Still, it's pretty clear what the design is, and you will know once you see it. So what I also wanted to say is that you can get multiple mutations alongside Shiny, so it's possible to get big Pickle Ricks too, and some others as well. So how to get Pickle Rick? Now, the sea pickle is a mythical catch that you can find in the open ocean. In the open ocean, it appears only at night, and only in autumn and summer or in clear and cloudy weather. Now, sea pickles are also pretty rare to find, and shiny fish of any kind can be found. So expect to grind out in the ocean a lot. You'll have to dedicate quite a bit of time to be able to get the shiny Pickle Rick. And if you're lucky, you might hit the event, the Shiny Surge. It's an event that happens in-game, which is called the Shiny Surge. And this event will give you a 3% boost to get shiny fish as well as the shiny pickle. So that's basically how you can get Pickle Rick and Fisch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.